I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for a
To the boys and girls gang. Boys and girls. Let's drop the camera. It's the boys and girls gang. And we going outside in the rain. It's raining by our house for some reason. And yeah, because we're walking over my shoes. It's always raining. So for now on, we might do vlogs. I don't know. And our intro, we might not do our intro anymore because the intro thing is not working for me because it's like saying it's too long and stuff. That's like the intro makers like the vlog stuff. So we might do one. So guys, I'm walking over here too. There's a lot of money over there. Cause my shoes, my mom said, wear these shoes so these shoes are open and ready. Who got pots outside? I don't know. She crazy.
Oh, maybe we could do this on the water.
What? So guys, I'm gonna be walking down the street like. So guys. See, these shoes are beat up. Mama said you're ready. Why is person over here down there doing that? I can't. Oh, that can't. Okay. So, guys, we're just walking around. Can't be around these people's house for some reason. I don't know why. See? But I don't drop the camera, but look. Dropping in the thing. I don't know why I'm showing y'all this. It's so dumb. Okay. Aaliyah just coming. Okay. So guys. By the way, we don't want no negativity or anything on this thing. So guys, we're gonna be playing. We'll be I just want y'all to comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I get messed up sometimes. Videos. Just sorry for that. Ooh, that feel. Okay. I know, guys. It's oh my god. It's rain. It's drizzling a little bit. Tell me if it drizzle in your state. Cause it drizzle in our country. I mean. I'm coming over there with them. They so bad. Who's walking? Where he walk? Where he run? Total, get it!
Can I show you something? I'm gonna get my bike. This is not my school shoes.
Leah! Get off my school shoes! She muted did that, guys. But today we're gonna make a catch spade. So, guys. Mom, why you don't use Marathon? Rob Barkin. So guys, I will never say. So guys, we're trying to push my porch. I'm not telling you what happened, but it might happen. So we're going back outside. All of us. Because my mom cooking some fried chicken. I can smell that. I hope y'all smell that out there, wherever y'all are. My mom was smelling fried chicken. Ow! Come on, Leah, come with me. I said raw. So guys, this is Leo's shoes right here. And we just walking and talk. Leo, hold the thing while I hold the camera. So guys, we're just walking down the street. Turn around, y'all.
I can hold it, girl.
So guys, Tona's next to us because he by himself because Leo got mad at him. So no, Leo, don't make it fall.
Sorry. Why am I gonna go out?
He said when he was seeing Raymond, he said God crying. Okay, God crying. Okay.
God cry.
We gonna make the bed.
God, we're doing it.
So guys, we're gonna be making a bed and we're having some fun. This vlog is about having fun. Okay. Leo.
Does God even wash off? I think God's flashing. I think God's flashing. God got his own word. Guess how much people his own
And
word.
comment down below if I know how to do the hood, baby.
Even when I can work it, even when I give my last one to my people, I give you my damn last. When you go in there, if you got nothing, you got
Let me show you how to do hood. If y'all know hood, follow my TikTok, 99524. His is, I don't know, he don't got a TikTok, but
254.
he don't know what he doing. So, can I get some? Can I get some?
No, go get you at the house.
Okay, guys, I know I got it. I'm gonna keep my shoes right here. So, I'm gonna try to keep my foot. Because I don't know what that is. This chicken look good, y'all. Sizzling. It's sizzling all that. What? And the camera, tell me if this thing was purple or just me. The camera doesn't look purple here. The camera looks purple.
For real.
Yeah, like something blue.
For real, I want it to be red.
Yeah, it's really red, guys. We don't got that. I ain't never sang. Hi guys, subscribe to our notification video.